Today I'm excited because we're going to be making chicken feet. This is one of those foods that is very underrated, but trust me, it's so good once made in the right way. Chicken feet are not everyone's cup of tea, but they're budget friendly, easy to make, and finger licking. Once you try out this recipe, you'll be trying out or you'll be making chicken feet stew every single week for your family, right? I have a kg of chicken feet over here. So you'll get started by boiling water, and then you're going to place in the chicken feet. Remove the outer skin of the chicken and also the nails. And then you're going to chop off any dust on the feet. You'll do this around 2 times until the chicken feet are clean as mine. See, very clean. Next, it's time to boil our chicken feet. So you're going to place a pot over high flame, place in your chicken and add in water enough to boil the chicken. Make sure all the chicken is submerged in the water. Add in salt. Cover your pot, and once the water comes to a boil, you're going to reduce the flames to medium and slowly cook your chicken feet for around 1 to 2 hours. This is going to make the chicken feet very tender. I know you're probably wondering why we are making chicken feet, but they have some benefits to our body. For example, they have collagen, which help relieve joint pain. Also, they are good for your skin and have low calorie. Yes. So this is definitely a recipe worth trying. Not forgetting that they are super delicious once you are done cooking. I know you're asking yourself where you can get lots of chicken feet just like mine. I bought mine at the supermarket. So as I said earlier, this is a kg. You can check out the freezer section and you'll get some chicken feet to try out this recipe. In a small bowl, you're going to be adding in some oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, and a splash of water. Stir in, and this is the sauce to make our chicken feet. It's been around 1 hour, and this is how my chicken feet is looking like. Now you're going to drain off the water that you used to boil your chicken. So I'm going to be doing that. Over high flame, you're going to place your pan, add in cooking oil, lots of garlic and ginger. Cook the garlic for around 30 seconds. Once the garlic and ginger is ready, you're going to add back your chicken. Add in your sauce, a little bit of tomato paste, one cup water, chili flakes, and some black pepper. Toss everything together. Stir in everything together, and then you're going to let this simmer on low for around 10 minutes so that the chicken feet can absorb all the nice flavors from our sauce, the chili flakes and black pepper. Also, the garlic and ginger are going to be very flavorful once the chicken is done. Because I added in some salt when boiling my chicken feet, and I've added some dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and light soy sauce, I'm not going to be adding in any more salt because they are high in sodium. All I'm going to do is check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, I'm going to add in some more salt. But as of now, I'm going to wait until the chicken is almost cooked through. Because I added in some tomato paste, I'm going to add in a pinch of sugar. Toss everything together, and this is turning out amazing. As the sauce is thickening up, it's going to coat the chicken feet with the delicious sauce. Just look how the chicken feet are turning out. I love everything. I love how they're looking. As the sauce is reducing, it's going to coat the chicken feet with the delicious sauce, and then you're going to have some amazing chicken feet. So I'll keep stirring as the sauce is getting thicker and thicker so that all the chicken feet can be coated with the sauce. If you don't like chicken smell, just add in some garlic and ginger. That is lots of garlic and ginger so that you can do away with the chicken smell. I've added in a teaspoon of chili flakes, which is going to add in more flavor. If you're not a fan of spicy food, the chili flakes is optional. But to me, I'm going to be enjoying some spicy chicken feet. This is how the chicken is looking after cooking for around 6 minutes. And you can see the meat is super tender. So I'm going to be serving to show you how delicious the chicken feet is looking. Once done cooking the chicken feet, they'll be so tender that it will be very easy for you to get the little bit of meat from the bones. And the chicken will be very flavorful and delicious. Hope you try out this easy and budget-friendly recipe.